dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to get them Instagram brows. So let's get pretty. You want to gather all of your brow products because you will be going back and forth. I'm going to take my brow brush and brush my hairs downwards. It makes the process a lot easier. I'm using this brow brush by MAC. It's literally the thinnest one they carry, and I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in chocolate. You don't want to put a lot of product on the brush because it just gets messy. I always like to take some of the product and spreading it onto the cap to make my brush as flat as possible. So I'm going to line the top of my brow, and you want to lightly do the beginning, not adding too much pressure to get the fade effect. Then you just follow your natural curve of your brow. Now I'm going to line the bottom and brush my hairs upwards. I always start in the inner corner, then draw a nice straight line. So now that my brow is completely outlined, I'm going to take my brush and comb out my brow. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the product and just fill in. Time to clean up. I'm using this LA Pro concealer in the color Light Ivory. It's about 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. And I'm using this Morphe brush to sculpt out the bottom and top of my brows and give it that clean and sharp look. And I also prime my eyelids with this same concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my lid. And buff it out using this mini beauty blender. And I always like to go over my brows with my eyebrow brush after applying my concealer with the leftover product that's already on the brush, just to make sure I didn't go over too much on my brows with my concealer. Now I'm just going to add this highlighter by Artist Couture to give it that natural finish. Back to the fade effect. After you're all done with these steps, I take my foundation brush and apply a very small amount of the foundation I will be using that day and tap it in between my brows. I'm literally just pressing onto my skin and ta-da! So I'm going to be posting twice a week, so I would love for you guys to comment below with some ideas for my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you dolls in my next video.